Well, hello there, traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for May 22nd, 2012. Again, I did not attempt to trade the Globex last night, so no Globex trades. On the YM, I went 2, 2, and 3 today, net minus 5 points. So a little bit of a slow start to the week. I started off the day, I took one contract long here, pre-market. Got long at 12,489 and was using a 15-point trailing stop. It ended up taking 7 points, 12,496. The next trade we took was a short. It was right after the market opened. The impetus for the trade was a trigger short. We got short at 12,489. Again, I only had one contract on, and I took that off at 12,479. And as you can see, one of the mistakes I made trading on the 22nd here is that I should have been trading more contracts because I had some really nice runners, but I only had one contract on. So, again, that's one of the negatives by taking smaller size. Next trade I took was at 650. These are all Pacific time. And it was a long at 12,489. 489 seemed to be a popular number on the 22nd. We got long at 489. Again, I only had one contract on, and 495 got to the high there. I brought my stop to break even, and that was a break even trade. The next trade I took was a long. It was at 8:52 Pacific time here in the morning. It was a 12, 538 long. It was a trigger entry long, and had a 15-point trailing stop on that. But this is where I should have reversed, and I didn't. It's a valid long trigger here, a valid short trigger here, and we should have. And this was actually a better price setup to go short. Downsloping 89 EMA price and the Hall moving average below the 89 EMA. So it was just a great setup, and I just missed it. Folks, if you come into the room, you'll see me make mistakes, but we are overall becoming very, very profitable, and it's just today, for some reason, I was just a little bit off. Anyway, ended up losing one contract, 13 points on that trade, but this was a missed opportunity that would have more than made up for that had I been short. And there were, I just have this on here to show you during dead zone, there were a couple of really nice opportunities for longs. After this pivot had been put back with a nice pullback, beautiful price pattern, the trigger had fired here. So long at the break of this pivot would have been a very nice trade. And then again, after we broke above the 89, a pull back to it, and then another nice trigger there. So two really nice longs that we missed during the dead zone. This was the next long I took, 1034. We got long at 12,527, not 15. Let me correct that. There we are. 12,527 was the entry to the long side, and exited that at 12,518. So minus minus 9 points. I took two other trades, and they were both break-evens, and I was just too tentative today. We got long at 12, 5, 15, one contract. And I think we got to 522, 7 points, and it came back and stopped me out right at 12, 5, 15. So, again, a break-even trade for us, and then we had one more trade. It was at 11.50. Let me come over for that one. Right here, 12.532. It was a breakout above this pivot that had formed. We had a pullback price test here. Triggered, fired. So we took the breakout, 12.532. Got to a high of 12.540, and then I brought my stop to break even. I was trying for 10 points there, and came back and stopped us out at break even. So, determined to start trading more contracts again, guys. We would have had a lot better performance today, and I've been trading multiple contracts. Guys, have a great evening. If you'd like to have a 1 week free trial in our room, just send me an email or sign on to the website. Sign the guest book, let me know, and I'll make sure you get the information to come into our room for a 1 week free trial. Yours in good trading, this is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net.